Construction is a promising career path for college graduates today, but the industry is rapidly advancing. General contractors are having a hard time finding grads with the skills and experience needed to bring immediate value to the field. How are universities meeting this challenge? Purdue University is partnering with general contractor Barton Malow to tackle this issue. Together, they're exposing students to real-life project challenges as early as freshman year and implementing cutting-edge technology in the classroom. When I heard that this included Bluebeam Studio, I hopped on a plane to see for myself. "86% of general contractors are having a hard time filling craft or professional positions. 52% are having a rough time finding project managers, supervisors, estimators, and engineers. Adding to this challenge is the time it takes to get new hires field ready."
I heard a statistic that a new hire several years ago in construction management took him 2 years to figure out the processes and be productive. Now, I think it's down to about a month.
With acceleration like this on the learning curve, I wondered how great an impact these partnerships could have on the construction industry as a whole. I sat down with Andrew Held, a graduate of the Construction Engineering and Management program. He credits his experience at Purdue and his mentor, Professor Brandon Falk, with landing him a job at Barton Malow straight out of school.
I went to Purdue thinking I was going to go for pharmacy. That changed very quickly to engineering and civil engineering.
Tell us a little bit about that success story. How did that come about?
He came to Purdue undecided on what he was going to do. And because of the relationships that we have with industry, we were able to identify that this was the right place for Andrew.
I also met with Ryan Maibach, CEO at Barton Malow and Purdue alum, to understand his perspective on the relationship.
Barton Malow was a part of helping to create what is today the Construction Engineering and Management program. There's a strong relationship in an advisory committee to figure out how best to shape the theory and what's taught in the classroom to what the needs in industry are.
Professor Clark Corey expressed how thankful he was for alumni like Taylor Bagby from Barton Malow, who returned to campus to train students for the industry. Tell us a little bit about the partnership that you have with Barton Malow and Taylor and just the kind of the details of how that works, how that manifests itself.
It is nice to see them get out and actually want to come back and give to the university that educated them.
Investing a little bit of time into some of these students and sharing the technology and tools we use and real life examples gets students thinking more about the future.
I couldn't do my job without, Taylor.
Beyond these classroom workshops, Barton Malow and Purdue work together to get students onto the job and into the field as early as freshman year.
There's a lot of things that I'm really glad I went to school and understand, but the real life application is just something you can't recreate in a classroom format.
Our goal is to have 3 internships for each one of them.
That's really how we can get the best students who know what they want to do when they graduate.
Is it something you look forward to? Is it what you expected?
After my first internship, it really solidified the fact that I wanted to go into construction.
The fact that you can see an end product forming before your eyes, you don't get to see that in every field.
These internships expose students to collaborative industry technology that's now making its way into the classroom. Tell us a little bit about what you're learning from the interns who come back from their real-world experience.
The things the students learn is just tremendous. They see the technology used, they see how industry is doing things.
And the professors have in turn asked us, what's this technology about and how can we use it in our classes so when they come out for an internship with your company, you're not teaching them the first day.
We were able to acquire the Bluebeam Studio upon a recommendation from industry partner. It makes more sense to promote this collaborative type of educational system, just like industry is doing a collaborative project and getting the architect and the owner and the engineers and all of those people together in one room before the project even starts to discuss it. We need to do that in education.
So what we've seen here today is the value of shared partnerships, working together to solve each other's greatest challenges, and in the process, produce the next generation of industry professionals. For more industry news, join us on Structure.